Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Relapse Tackle. This video we're going to be pouring up some Underspin Shad Darts. So this mold I modified with a Dremel, drilled some holes, some pockets in it for some 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch neodymium magnets. Camera wasn't focusing on this WB400 bait keeper, so this is the shorter bait keeper. And in this mold you have to straighten it out a little bit because it's not designed for it. And if you don't straighten them out, then the bait keeper actually pokes out the side of the lead a little bit, makes it harder to fill. So just adding a little bit of a bend to it still allows it to stay in the lead. If it was completely straight, it could pull out of the lead, and we don't want that to happen. So I just straighten it out a little bit, and I'm going to use these owner hooks as size 1, and we're going to be pouring just the Underspin one that's in the 1/8 ounce size. I got these small sinker eyes, believe they're a size 0. I will add all the information in the description below. Be sure to give the video a like, share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, please subscribe for more videos. So I'm going to put my gloves on. This mold is cold. Some molds will pour just fine cold. Some you have to heat them up pretty good. So you can see that the mold's closed tight. No gap. Any gaps in the mold creates a lot of flashing around the jig. So, and that's why you wear gloves. Had a little overspill. Could have shot right down on my hand. And then this is actually one of the first molds. Actually, this is the first mold that I ever purchased. So here, got the sprue off. Nice and straight, flat nose on these. You can do it with one cut. And then I dropped this in my cup, never back into the lead pot because I don't want it to splash. And then I just scrape the lead a little bit to smooth it out so that it looks good when you paint it. I will be uploading another video after I edit it, showing the paint process that I use for these jigs, and also what spoons and stuff that I add for the underspins and how I attach them. So you can see in this jig that there is a little divot there. That's from that bait keeper. So even with it being bent, it still leaves a little bit of a pocket there where there's no lead. So I'm just doing a quick video though, just showing how I pour them. Like I said, I'll make another video showing how I paint them and add the spoons. These gloves that I'm wearing are pretty thin leather gloves. So there you go again, poured perfect. So I actually added a small piece of stick-on magnet to hold the WB400 bait keeper, and then added magnets for the underspin and for the hook. If I just put one in there for the underspin or the hook, they're actually too strong and they pull they'll pull the other one out of its place because they're 1.4 pound pull in the magnets. So if I just had one for the hook eye, it would actually pull the sinker eye out of its location. So I had to add a second one. And then here's a close-up of me pouring a jig. Thanks again for watching. If you haven't already, like I said, give it a like, share it with your friends, and please subscribe.